Jamaican Insiders, welcome back. And in this one we're on Twickenham Park housing scheme. McNeil Boulevard is what we are on right now. Here in the vicinity of Central Village. St. Catherine, of course. Bennett Avenue on our right. Richards Avenue. Regis Avenue on our right. As you notice, the roads are getting worse, so I'm gonna make this turn here, hoping that it will get better. Playfield to our right for the youngsters and those who are young at heart. Browns Avenue on our right. And that's it for Twickenham Park housing scheme. But let's just drive around Central Village a little. On our left is the NHT. I have an office out here. Look what we have here. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to go inside to show you guys around, but hopefully someday in the future I will be able to. So thank you so much for watching this video though. Hope you've enjoyed it.